Hi guys, welcome to InstantPot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share a rice kheer or rice pudding recipe with you all. This rich and creamy rice pudding is more delightful. This easy dump and start pal payasam in the Instant Pot is easy to prepare, which is ready in under 45 minutes without babysitting. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make perfect kheer in the Instant Pot. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below for the written recipe. I have taken Basmati rice. This works great. Wash and drain the rice. Select Sauté mode. Add ghee. I have shared an Instant Pot ghee recipe in the description box below. Please do check it. Add drained rice. Sauté it for 30 seconds. Add sugar as per your taste. You can add 1 can of condensed milk or jaggery instead. Add milk. You can also use coconut milk instead. A pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Give it a mix. Scrap the pot to avoid the burnt bottom. Close the lid and seal the vent. Cancel the sauté mode. Pressure cook the kheer for 20 minutes under high pressure. Turn off the keep warm mode. If you have a porridge mode in your Instant Pot, you can cook them for 20 minutes in porridge mode as well. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, let the pressure release naturally for 20 minutes, then release the remaining pressure. Once the pin goes down, open the lid carefully. Wow, smells so good. Just add in few strands of saffron, cardamom powder, nuts of your choice and raisins. Give it a mix. Look at that, creamy rice pudding is ready. According to your preference, adjust the consistency of the kheer by adding more milk or saute the kheer for some times to thicken it. I love making payasam in the Instant Pot. No need to babysit the kheer for hours. Enjoy this creamy kheer, hot or cold. Our super delicious and creamy Instant Pot kheer or rice pudding is ready. Do try this Instant Pot kheer recipe for this festive season. Enjoy it with your loved ones. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.